Create a small but powerful jar to manifest your deepest desires. For this simple spell, you're going to need a small glass jar with a lid, some sea salt for protection and stability, a basil for abundance and success, some cinnamon powder to attract steady energy, a honey to bind your intention with warmth and positivity, a piece of paper to write your wish in present tense, and the white candle is universally for purification and commonly used. You will use these candles to seal the jar, and of course something to clean your jar, a sage or Palo Santo. First, take a jar and clean it very, very good inside. You can use Palo Santo. I usually use sage or any kind of incense. So now we are ready. First, you're gonna add a pinch of sea salt for protection and stability. You will add basil for abundance and success. Then sprinkle some cinnamon to attract steady energy. Add some honey to bind your intention with warmth and positivity. Now you will write your wish and at a piece of paper and fold it 3 times, but always needs to be a fold towards yourself. And simply put it in the jar. After that, you can put a lid on your jar. It should look something like this. And now we are going to seal it with the candle wax. When you're sealing it with wax, you're doing it to lock the energy, and the intention is set. You always have to seal the jar to lock the energy inside with any kind of candle or anything you want to manifest in your life. There are different candles for different purposes. I will explain all that in my next video. The intention is set, and now let the universe works its magic. Follow for more, and blessed be.